Thank you. Welcome to our stall, that is Pepperl+Fuchs Factory Automation Pvt Limited. Myself, Bhushan Lilhare. I'm working here as sales manager for Western Zone. Uh, we have displayed here our sensors portfolio and more focused into automation part, that is communication side. As everyone knows, Pepperl+Fuchs is very famous for the technology of inductive proximities, photosensors, ultrasonics, and a lot of other portfolio of sensors used in factory automation. But this particular year, we are focusing more on our portfolio of vision cameras suitable for machine automation and communication for integration in machines. Here we have displayed most of our products, and IED is a good platform. They have, we have been participating in this exhibition since past almost 14 or 15 years, and IED is a good partner for us in giving us support and platform for showcasing our products. Thank you.